plant healthy food, you're going to become sick. You see me I say, when you become sick, you're not going to you have the money already from day one. So when you become sick, you're worse than the money. And then you're going to
Mr. Holdness, I'm seeing where you're saying that you're going to put $1,000 on minimum wage workers. You see that is an evil, wicked man, sir. Listen, I am not spending tax dollars money, and I sent to the bank from early to draw my workers' money. And this is 3 people's money, Mr. Holdness. And you know what? I pay $28,000 per week.
Greetings again, my people. Welcome. I've been away for a while, but I give you some personal thing in my life. Over there again. Big up on yourself. Give thanks to everyone we are tuning in. Zane, you see today, we are talking about the minimum wage, the $1,000. The Prime Minister said I'm going to add on minimum wage. Zane, so all I work at them out there, it's just an extra $1,000 where they might get on them pay if they might work with certain people and certain entities. Zane, so you see today, before I clip on TikTok where this woman I say she paid a 3-hour work at them $28,000 every week because she can't do without them and they make her life more easy and thing. You know what I mean? So we're going to run the clip, we're going to hear what she has to say. The message what she has sent to the Prime Minister basically. Because she has said she has going to meet Mr. Holdness in her health. You know what I mean? So we're going to run the clip and we'll elaborate on it because who know, and who don't know is about to know. Run it.
Mr. Holdness, I'm seeing where you're saying that you're going to put $1,000 on minimum wage workers. You see that is an evil, wicked man, sir. Listen, I am not spending tax dollars money, and I sent to the bank from early to draw my workers' money. And this is 3 people's money, Mr. Holdness. And you know what? I pay $28,000 per week. And my workers, they work from Monday to Friday. Okay, and I pay them $28,000 a week. What the hell you think 16,000 can do? Look here, let me show you. This is my 3 helpers' money. Look, 10, 20. So the 5 here. 1, 2, 3. 28. Okay, look again. 10, 20, 5, 2, 3, 28. That's 2 of them, okay? Look, 10, 20, 5, 3. 28,000 a week I pay my workers. What the hell 16,000 can do? Lunch and bus fare, light bill, water bill, internet, huh? What 16,000 can do? You're evil, conniving criminal, and all these money that you've been stealing from taxpayers. Instead you try to roll out some of the tax and give the Jamaican people and go in parliament, go and so on better. You come talking about $1,000 and you thief how much of tax dollars money, and you're all spending tax dollars money, and I'm not spending tax dollars money, and I'm paying $28,000 a week. I pay $28,000 a week to my workers, and not just that, none of my workers take the bus. Okay, I have my BMW drop them home. I treat my workers very well because guess what? Without them, I couldn't live. You understand? I couldn't live, so I treat them good. And after the Jamaican people feeding you and your old generation, instead of you treat the people them good, you're bleeding them. You're bleeding them. $1,000. $1,000. As I said, Mr. Holdness, wait till I catch you down at hell. Me and you. Because let me tell you something, I know you're not going to heaven, and for your sake, I plan to go to hell, so we shall meet. Mr. Holdness, what about rent? What about people's rent? What about supermarket? Explain to me how $16,000 can do all of that. Are you sick? And if they have kids to go to school, come on. Come on. Mr. Holdness, time for you to resign, man. Tomorrow I'm going out to protest by myself. Time for you to resign, man. Get the hell off. What the hell?
A reality, no joke. You can imagine you get $28,000 to bring home every week. See? And if you're not smart enough and wise enough, you can't save nothing that can't make no ends meet. If you have a family and add a mouth to feed, bills to pay. And you have to traverse from work to one from them people who work for this female are fortunate. You know what I mean? But not everybody fortunate, so most of them people who work for people like this and walk, them have to walk and take bus to work. You know what I mean? And everybody genuine and clean minded like how this woman are clean minded too. You have some of them people where I employ them people, yeah, their mind and their heart dirty, some slave master mentality. So that woman, yeah, is a good woman. So we have to big her up. Straight, no joke. You see me? Because she try to pay her work at them every week, and she even provide transportation and lunch for them because them play a vital role in a fair life. You get what me I say? One people them when unfortunate like them work here. We are work with some corrupted mind people. We are use the people just like our government and take the people into food. They ain't only put $1,000 a year. What woman say? Much taxpayer money and this and that. A whole party, a be a corruption there in Jamaica, you know. You see me? And Jamaican people, you know, if you live in a small suffering and problem, you know, and the system make it. The people might kill off them black brothers and sisters, you know. You know, make it thing hard and drastic and difficult from longer time. And just now, from longer time leading up to now, we get more worse now because the head of the stream dirty. You get them 15,000 a year get to go home. Fortnight, on a fortnight. Then, you get 15,000 to go on a fortnight and you have bills to pay. You have bills to pay and food to buy and you have to use back money out of that money for go to work. A survival mode, lifestyle them people. A survival mood lifestyle them lifestyle. It's hard, it's rough. You see me I say, remember, you know, if you not consume healthy food, you know, after a time you go become sick, you know. If you not money for purchase healthy food or plant healthy food, you're going to become sick. You see me I say, when you become sick, you're not going to you have the money already from day one. So when you become sick, you're worse than the money. And then you go there. You see me I say? So if you not have money, or even say the farmer them we are plant the food them out there. We are plant. No for the people them not buy from the farmer them, but if the government not really support the farmer them, you know. I be import them and import some artificial thing, you know. And the man them there upon the ground we can farm a place so much land, big up my land there for certain thing and them not invest in the farmer them or some friend thing and corruption. I be maybe go around thing them and deal with people them and much land there and thing. And them not invest in the farmer in agriculture and them thing there. Them not do that. You see me I say? And then the money not no value. When the man them do if sacrifice them time and energy and plant some food and thing, the people them not the money to buy from them. Market people them after trust from them people most of the time for go street go hustle we pay back all the farmer and them thing. And if the money not run in the street, everybody lose. So them look at 15 grand and them look at $1,000 and a joke thing. The people in Jamaica suffer. We have it hard, a survival mode. 90% of the population are survival mode. 90% of the population are survival mode. Rough and tough. And people them not think for nobody. Everybody think for themselves. No helping, no go on, no strength, no really push. Bless the real people out there were willing to help them Jamaican people, you know, because everybody want to help them people, you know. And them system done against me already. And them want to turn against them other people too. You see me? So who know, you know. If you have $50, $100, $500, $1,000, the money there no money in Jamaica, man. You barely can cook a meal with $1,000 or $500. You barely. If you not plant certain things, a piece of yam, a banana grow or 2 plant, or some gungo peas or some little thing, or pepper and them little thing there. Everything you have to go buy. You see me I say? So once I want to try plant some little thing, just for even your personal use and them things. Because you have some farmer, some people out there plant food for a living. But you have some people plant food for them personal things, for them personal use. If a virgin or a family member come forward, them can get off of the farm. They can get something off of the farm. You see me I say? No joke. But people for try plant them food, man, because time will coming up. If you don't have no money, they can't go eat no food. You see me I say? So if you plant up some little thing there surrounding, at least you can help yourself. Now if you really worry about money and them things there. You see me? No joke. But the money not value nothing. And if you want to use water bill, if you want to use water, if you want to use them like to have internet service, see certain things out there in the world, you have to have money. And if you not make consistent money, you can't have them service because they not give them service free. Unless a thief, you go thief it. And if you thief, then catch you, they're going to lock you up. You see me? The youth them, remember you know, youth have to go to school, you know. Remember vehicle have to drive on the road, you know. Remember house have to maintain, you know. Remember yourself, you have to do it yourself, you know. Remember, you know, man. And them look money hand to mouth. Just let them in the street, we have to out there in the hot sun and them thing there. Have to dig it out. You think it's easy? No matter things, no matter goods them have to sell to make money, no matter sacrifice them have to make ends meet. You have to go out there go see for yourself, man. You're rough and tough, man. Remember me tell you, a whole heap of people are trying to find something to do. Because, I just belly full, you know. It's hard to see about belly full. You see me? So I hope this reach out to the right people them and things, so the ones them can know the reality. Say yo, we're out here and we're suffering. It's not easy. Yeah? Or even when you make a little dollar and you don't take care of responsibility then, nothing no left. Nothing no left. And you can't go make it back. If you make a 40, if you make 20 grand for the week, you don't guarantee if you make 20 grand for next week. You don't guarantee that. You see me? So people out there feel it, and man know it too. You see me I say? So now all who can relate, you left on the thought in the comment and let me know. And if you know to the channel, subscribe. You see me I say? And tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes I? Yeah man, big up on yourself man.